Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali, and if you're wondering how Afterpay works inside Cash App, you're in the right place. Since Afterpay is now part of the Cash App family, you can use it to break up your purchases into 4 simple payments. In this video, I'll explain step by step how to find the option, how it works, and how to manage your payments, all inside the Cash App. Let's dive in. Before the integration, if you wanted to place an Afterpay order using Cash App, you had to use your Cash App card for the payment, and the remaining installments were automatically deducted from your Cash App card. But since March 17, 2025, the Afterpay feature has been added directly into Cash App. Now, using it has become much easier. Now, whenever we open the Cash App and go to the offers page, we start seeing various Afterpay icons. If you want to shop from Amazon, you need to click that button. If you want to shop from Walmart, click on the corresponding button. All these options are now added directly inside the Cash App. Suppose you want to buy an item from Amazon. In that case, you need to click on Pay Over Time at Amazon option. As soon as you click on it, a page will appear showing other available stores. You'll need to click on Amazon again. Once you click on Amazon, you'll see another Pay Over Time page asking if you want to start shopping. You need to click on Shop Now. After you click on Shop Now, all the details will be shown. You just need to click on Got It. Next, you'll be informed about the payment method. Click on OK to proceed. Then, choose the item you want to purchase. If you want to use Afterpay to complete the purchase, scroll to the bottom and click on the Pay Over Time option. Once you click on it, the order details will be displayed. It will show item price, any applicable fees, and the total amount. Scroll down a bit more, and you'll see all 4 of your installments. The first one will be charged immediately, and the rest will be deducted from your Cash App account on the scheduled dates. All of this will be shown there. Keep scrolling and you'll find a Continue button. Click on that. After clicking Continue, 3 options will appear: a 6-week plan, a Pay in 4 option, and a Pay in 2 option. You'll need to select one of these and then click Save. Once you click Save, the EMAs for your product will be set based on the option you selected, and the first EMA amount will be deducted from your Cash App account. This way, using Afterpay has now become very simple. The entire process takes place within the Cash App itself. There's no need to visit the Afterpay website separately. Using Afterpay through Cash App is now super convenient.